What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at y'all with another video here. Doing an update for the channel that I did not see coming, but it is here. I believe in the last video that I was actually in, I was discussing the setup that I got now, which is all PRV amps, PRV speakers, and I got the what is it? The Sundown SFB 500.4. Gonna be using that here real soon. But the best way for me to talk about this video here is to basically say I'm coming home, man. Years ago, I tried to do PRV, had that curiosity, man, had the itch, like, hey, I gotta try it, I just gotta get it out, see what all the hype is about, and hype came, hype went. So, I'm coming home. So, y'all already see what's on this box right down there. Let me go ahead and flip her open. Did have to cut it to get it easier for the video because, man, Sky High had this thing strapped in like no tomorrow. Probably should turn it sideways now that I'm seeing this hitting my camera stand. But let me go ahead and get this open and get right back to what we know I'm a fanboy of, what I'm good for. So I'm gonna just throw all this stuff out the way. And we got a shirt. Sky High Car Audio. I don't know if I got this shirt already, but if I don't, I'm definitely going to be using that. So thanks to them, or shout out to them for the shirt. Getting real down for sound like with that shirt giveaway, or included with buying the products. But y'all see that down there, man. I guess I'm kind of cluttered in my spot right now. So yes, the box is hitting my camera stand. But let me go ahead and get these speakers out. Hopefully y'all seen that in there. This is a 4-pack. And this is different because I'm used to the boxes saying extremely loud and whatnot, man. But I dig it. Guess they switched it up. But y'all see that right there, man. This is a 6.5-inch EXL 8-ohm speaker, man. So, like I said, more of the same. If you've been on this channel for a while, you've definitely seen an unboxing of these about 100 times over. So, like I said, man, I've decided to come back home and get the EXLs, man. So let me get one out. Like I said, packaging is just a little bit different. Everything's freaking different. Look at that. So back in the day, it used to say Pro EXL, and that was like red and white and black, and now it's silver. Still got the candy red basket. Still push terminals, still one hell of a magnet, still 300 watts RMS. Like I said, man, y'all know the deal. Y'all been around here for a while. Me and these EXL speakers have been hand in hand. Only thing I kind of complain about every now and then is sometimes this, like the top of the basket here, like they do the candy red all the way through and through, and for sometimes they don't get it on the top. But y'all know me, these are going in my doors. So I'm definitely not going to leave that exposed for somebody's foot to hit it. More than likely my foot as of late. I've got, like I said, I've got the PRV speakers in there now, man, and I'm just trying to hurry up and clock out and go home and do stuff and get stuff done, man. I got some big boots, and those things have been hitting the hell out of those grills. I have to clean them off almost daily just to make sure we're good to go there, man. So yeah, these definitely will be getting grills over them. Like I said, more than likely to protect them from myself. I've always said I've had, you know, you got passengers in the car. They don't know how much this stuff costs. They might be intoxicated, whatever the case may be, man. I don't leave it up to fate to try to sit there and protect my speakers. I'd rather just do it myself. All right, so what y'all see there, like I said, we got a 4-pack. Might as well open up the last two just to make sure everything's squared away here. So like I said, man, I guess it will be an update due to the fact that, like I said, the packaging on these are different now. I don't, unfortunately, and I am that type of guy. I usually like to hold on and save the boxes to the products I have. But like I said, with the move current that I had going on, I don't have the old warning extremely loud boxes from the DS18 speakers previously. And unfortunately, I don't have one of the old DS18 speakers laying around to where I could show y'all to where the dust cap piece would be like this here. It would be more on the lines of that, man. So, like I said, I guess there is an update for it as far as the way they changed the packaging and then the overall look of the speaker outside of the basket. Like I said, the basket's still the same, the candy red, push terminals, all that, man. So, what y'all see here in front of y'all, well, I guess you can't really see it now, but maybe we slide those in the frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now, I got the 4 PRV speakers in the doors. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and take those out. Still got the 2 DS18 super tweeters in the doors, leaving those in, obviously. So I'm going to take the PRV speakers out, put these in. There's a sundown amp right there where my finger's pointing at. That is a 500.4. I'm going to take this PRV Q1200 out, put that SFB 500.4 in there and see what's the deal. I know some people have been hollering at me like, yo, let me know what's up with that amp. I put it in my car and I had engine noise and all that jazz, man. So I don't know what their setup looks like. I don't know if they had the gain too high or what's it grounded like or anything like that, man. So y'all know me, man. Like I said, I enjoy doing the research and this type of stuff more than doing the actual demos. That way I can form my own opinion and go from there, man. So y'all know the deal. 2021, I'm doing this budget build. I'm trying to get rolling here, man. Shout out to my man, Robert Van Hoy. Robert Van Hoy is also a truck driver. I don't know how in the hell he gets anything done because he's not local, he's OTR. So I know my man's got to be on the road for at least 3 weeks, something like that, depending on, you know, what his home time and, you know, what type of agreement he has with his company or whatnot, man. But once again, hey, Robert, shout out to you, man. I don't know how you get anything done on that Jeep because, man, I'm tired. But motivation is key. So now that I got 4 new speakers, I know these will give me the sound that I'm seeking. Still got that Kenwood Exelon reference. Like I said, I got to get to playing with that and get familiar with it because y'all know I am pioneer till death do us part. I am bow tied till I die. So I'm not the type of dude, I'm kind of stuck in my ways, man, and getting me to try something new is extremely difficult. But we're going to try it out, man, to see what's the deal, man. So, yeah, DS18, I came home, man. I'm back where I'm supposed to be at, man. So stick around. There will be a ton more updates coming soon here. Got stuff laying around, got stuff on the way, got stuff to give away. So definitely, man, y'all stick around, hit these like buttons, subscribe, all of that jazz, man. As I'm talking here, I'm trying to find, I still got the stuff that I tried to do for the giveaway on May 4th. All of that stuff is just laying around. So I'm going to add some more stuff to it and just give it away and go from there, man. And I got one hell of a topic that I'm going to bring up to what we'll do that. I might just do that on a separate video. I don't know. We'll find that out. Maybe I'll do it with one of these unboxings that includes some products for these speakers here, man. So y'all know the deal. Any questions, comments, concerns, hit me up, man. I try to get back to everybody. I think I've been doing pretty good at that. And yes, it's still 2021. I know today is what, June 11th, man. So, hey, just give me time. I'm trying to get her done. I said I wanted to get this stuff done by Cinco de Mayo, which should have been last month. But in Omaha here, they're having a Cinco de Mayo celebration tonight through Sunday. I got to roll out of town tomorrow for my company. But once I get done, I might try to get these installed tonight. If I don't, I'll definitely do them tomorrow and try to go by Cinco de Mayo. So I'll be halfway done. And if I can just, well, y'all can't see, but over there is 4 Scar DDX10s. Shout out to my guy, Tim TJ Jones. I know he's at Slamology right now. Hopefully when he gets back next week, we can get going on the enclosure and get this thing moving forward, man. So y'all stick around, man. I know 2021. It's still the same. I'm pretty sure you've seen it when I moved the box. If your mirrors ain't shaking, damn it, you got taken. It's your boy Young Dub. I'm out of here. Audi 5000 Hertz.